Hey, everybody. This is Tanya, your grammar teacher. This video is going out to all of my grammar classes, Grammar 3, Grammar 4, and Grammar 5, because I have organized all of our classes in the same way. What I have done is I have set our class up in modules, and you must go step by step through each assignment in order before you can get down to quizzes and assignments and tests and things like that. So when you go to our class, always go to modules. You won't be able to directly go to a quiz or an assignment unless you have done all the work required prior to that. So when you look at a new module, you'll see all the assignments in it. The minimum requirement is to view, to view, to view, to view. Some are to submit, and here's the number of points, like 5 points, submit, 15 points. And then when you look down farther, you'll also see the same thing. So what this means is if you're at home, and now this is the Grammar 5 class, but it will be the same thing for 3 and 4. If you see some quizzes or assignments over here, well, you can click on it, but it will tell you that there are other requirements that need to be completed before the page will unlock. So all of those need to be done before you can do the quiz. So that is mostly what I wanted to point out to all of you, because I don't want you to get confused and think that the class isn't open. It's just that you haven't gone into modules and gone from the top down to the assignment. So I'm trying to help avoid having students go just directly to assignments and not do all of the lessons preceding them. So that is my quick recording to all of you. Please remember that I do have office hours if you want to meet and you have questions, or you can send me an email. Whatever you need to do, let's get started on the class. All right, take care.